it is 11 o'clock and we are on our way to Port Canaveral. We're going on the Wonder of the Seas. We're so excited. This will be our third Oasis class cruise. This is Brandon's first. Brandon, hey. There you go. It's his first time going on a mega ship, so we're excited to see his reaction.
We don't have garage parking for this ship because it's just too big.
So we just parked the car. They give you a ticket and you pay when you return. The total amount is $145.52. This is all surface parking here. We were told that there is no garage parking for this ship because the ship is just too large. So here we are. Okay, so it is 11:51. Smooth process. Getting on now. So we're now at the muster station, which is in the main dining room. I'm assuming they just scan our card. Oh. So we entered on deck 5. We're headed to deck 6, which is the Boardwalk. This is Danny's favorite neighborhood on this ship. Central Park.
Parks with trees and plants in the middle of a cruise.
Really, there aren't many parks with trees and plants?
In the middle of a cruise ship.
I know. Okay, so Central Park is Danny's favorite.
Really nice here. Park Avenue. How many cruise ships got plants?
Funny because I used to, when I was a kid, my brother and I would fight.
Okay, so we are here getting ready to go into our stateroom. Our stateroom is 87. Oh, this one.
709.
Here it is. 8709. Okay, and there's 2 closets here. We have one here and 2 drawers.
This is how it goes.
Brandon, look.
Okay, those.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know who's been on that. And what does the
Oh,
balcony
so we
look
are
like?
across from the bar. Thank God. We were.
Thank God.
Oh,
Yeah, we want to be across from it. We don't want to be
I'd
right
rather,
under it.
yeah, I know.
Right above it. See, this is nice. This is oh, look, come here. see that a lot. Awesome zip line, look.
This is a nice, quiet. All right, we are on the way to Windjammers.
Yeah, we haven't gotten our luggage yet,
No luggage.
but it's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
One suitcase at a time.
One suitcase at a time.
Oh, announcement.
Good afternoon, ladies
Wait a minute.
and gentlemen.
Wait a minute.
Welcome to your vacation.
Hold on. This is our luggage.
Just a reminder, right now your staterooms are currently open.
Okay, we're on our way to Windjammers.
What floor is Windjammer on?
I don't know.
I think
Must be way up.
I think it's 18.
Okay, here we go. We found Windjammer
It's 15.
15. Here we go.
The wash your hands song. We haven't heard that in so long.
I know, I miss it.
Oh, yeah.
This is where you wash your hands.
What? Did you just to make sure I wash my hands?
This is where you wash your
Oh, I was like, I thought you said make sure I wash my hands like I don't.
Smell flavors from the garden.
I'm in food heaven.
This is food heaven.
Oh my gosh. Look at
Pasta. Yeah. Burgers.
garlic fried rice. That sounds so good.
Okay, we're back from the buffet. What did you think at first impressions, first day?
That place is huge. That's crazy how big that is. Like, you know what though? It was big, but it's typical for a Windjammer.
Yeah.
You know, the setup was much better.
It was more
It
open.
was definitely more open. On both sides, it was the same food, which
Right.
it usually is. So you know that was nice. The food I thought was really good. I really liked it. What did you think?
I thought it was good. Everything seemed to be pretty decent. I like the beef brisket. That's probably the best. The barbecued beef brisket. Cool.
I'm just tired. I need
Tired?
a nap. I was going to unpack. I'm not going to unpack right now. I'm tired. I need to sleep.
Okay. All right. We're on our way to our first dinner.
Yep. We have a 5:15 dinner. So you can pick
5:15.
Between what? 5:15 and what's the second dinner time?
I have no idea what the dinner time
We're
is.
going down 5.
We're going down.
Okay, 5.
We're on 8. We're going on 5.
Did we take a nap?
No.
Instead, we went to the room, laid in bed, and laughed. Brandon wouldn't let me sleep.
Yeah. So it's pretty convenient. We just go down the steps to 5 and we are here.
For some reason, I was thinking that we would have to walk across. I was thinking that
Yeah.
was to the front. It's nice.
Pretty close.
Get closer. He just, oh, there he is. I was going to say, he just took off. Oh, it's already here. This is awesome. Yay. Brandon, your appetizer came out. What did you get? You got the crab cake. Crab cake. And Danny, what did you get?
Mushroom soup.
Mushroom soup. So we just got done with dinner. Come in, Brandon. What did you think of the food?
It was good. It took a long time, 2 hours to get.
We were there for 2 hours. That's the reason why I like to go to buffet, because you kind of get what you want and you're kind of going at your own pace. It was 2 hours. It was a long time. We're headed to the fitness center now. today, so that's why we've been inside, but this is what it looks like. So we haven't had the opportunity to do much because we're tired, but we're trying to just
Explore the ship.
yeah, we're trying to explore the ship and
So we don't miss out.
on low energy, and we just found like a really cool place. It's the Solarium Bistro, and look at this place.
I just noticed these two. Look at you two. Yeah, first of all, I'm so envious of how both of you look like Olympians. You're in perfect shape. How old are either one of you here? 19 and 18? You have your whole life ahead of you. Do you realize now is the absolute best it's going to be? You shake your head. I'm here to tell you, this is the apex. Let's look. You laugh. You're going to reach an age where you're going to drop paper on the floor and you're going to have to formulate a plan of how to pick it up.
Christmas always a big holiday for me growing up. My mom, she's into it big time. She's big, go to her place, big tree, manger under the tree, lights everywhere, beautiful manger, Jesus, Mary, Joseph, all the little animals, and then of course to, truly recreate the birthplace of Christ, train tracks around the whole thing. Because as we all know, mass transportation readily available 2,000 years ago when Jesus was born. Folks, if there were trains around back then, I can think of at least 3 guys that would be really ticked off to find out about it.
How was your experience?
It was good.
Good?
Yeah. It was,
Well, what you thought it was going to be?
I mean, it was a little less exciting than I thought it was going to be. There was not as much of a drop feeling as you would think.
Yeah. Scale of 1 to 10.
7, 8.
7, 8. Okay. All right. How was your experience?
That was good.
Fun?
I like when we got stuck there because it gets us stuck down. I liked it. I like the fact that you do get stuck. She said everybody keeps getting stuck there, so she has to bring them in.
Yeah.
But by getting stuck there, you get to look down. So, I'm gonna go again.
This is the line for Loco Tacos. I don't think we're having tacos today, no matter how fresh they are.
To the